Your bathroom clean and fragrant for many days. Let's start today with a lemon. We should cut it in half and set it aside for later use. Now, in a container, we are going to start by adding 3/4 cup of fabric softener. This is one of the main ingredients of this mixture, responsible for leaving the surface smooth and giving it that fresh aroma in all the places where you use it. I had never seen a tip like this, and now it's part of my daily routine. I use it in all bathrooms. The second ingredient is baking soda. The ideal amount is 1 tablespoon. This is another main ingredient, indispensable for its alkaline effect in the mixture. Then, we must mix very well until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Now, we are going to add only the juice of the lemon we cut earlier and mix again. The acidity of the lemon is very important in this tip. And before I forget, tell me from which city you are watching us, to send a special greeting. Today's greeting goes to John, from Australia. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. To finish, we will add half a cup of water. We will mix it one last time, and we will have our tip ready to use. The best part is that we use only a few ingredients that we all have at home, without spending anything and getting what we need to clean our bathroom. Ideally, use a plastic bottle. I am using one with a capacity of 500 milliliters, which is enough for this tip. To avoid spills, we will also use a funnel. This amount we prepared is enough to use for a week and is the solution to keep your bathroom always clean. After putting the mixture in the bottle, we just need to make 2 holes, allowing the mixture to come out and controlling the amount during use. I am using a soldering iron, but you can pierce the bottle as you prefer. By doing this, when you use the toilet, a small amount of the mixture will combine with the water, and that is the secret that even surprises my visitors. Tell me if you tried any of the tips to keep the bathroom always clean. The use of this tip is directly in the toilet tank, so every time you flush it, you will have an amount of this product to ensure the cleanliness of the bathroom. After trying it at home, tell me what the result was. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in the next video.